Okay. Okay, so for this one here, I'm going to, these wires here actually look long enough. You know, this should be on this side. Okay. Now, this end is going to go into this quick connect. And these are really nice to use. You just cut your wires to the same length. You just stick them in the proper holes. Like that. And you just take a pliers, you press them down. And they automatically make the connection, and then they lock it in place. And I put it in here because I want to make sure that I put it into the right holes. On the other side, and you just squeeze it with a pair of pliers. And it locks it in place. So this will go like this. And so when we undo the rocket at the end of the flight, we just pull this end off. We can do the disconnect, and then we can take everything apart. So it looks like I need about that much wire on this end. Okay, so that's wired up, and all I need to do is put an igniter from this terminal block into here, and then from this one into here. And I can undo that. My battery is going to go here. It's going to get strapped down with a wire tie. And it doesn't hurt to go this way if you want. And that's actually a good idea. So you might drill a hole here and a hole here and put more wire ties across it like that. Okay. That's good. Okay. So now all we have to do is set the position of this, and for that we'll need this. And remember, this is going to be our forward end, and this is our forward end because this is the main. So that's forward. I just slide it through here, tuck all my wires in. that. Now, to set the position, we need to rotate it around and look through our vent hole and find our switch. So if I stick it on here like this, you can see I need to move my board that way quite a bit. You see what I'm doing here. Okay, still got to go a little bit more. All right, that looks pretty good. And then I'll tighten this one down so it can't shift on me. Okay, so my board is locked in place now. All right. And then this will go in there like this. This hangs out so that I can hook up this one. Everything gets tucked inside. Just like that. And we're going to rotate it around until we can see our switch through the hole. And I'm not seeing it. Oh, I wonder, upside down maybe? How come I'm not seeing it? There's the battery. Oh. I see the problem. Forward. Gotta spin it around. There we go. Now I can see my switch. Got that connector. Yeah, make sure you don't pinch your wires. There we go. And now I can see my switch on the inside. And so then I can, right before launch, I can just push a pin through there and that will start it going. And these will lock down. And basically we're done building the altimeter bay and mounting all the hardware inside. Not quite hooked up everything yet, but we're pretty close. But at this point, the rocket will go together like this. You remember, we're going to line up our these are our rivet holes. I'm sorry. I have to find the right one. There we go. That will be for our rivet holes. This will be to turn it on. Shear pins are in, and here's the bottom of the rocket. And we're ready to start painting. So that will be our next project.